Morning to one and all. I'm G. Vamshivardhan from Tribly branch. Today's my topic was about magnetic field density due to circular conductor. Surveyor will tell you that overhead electric power lines create magnetic lines that interferes with their compass needings. Indeed, with Oersted discovered in 1820 that a current in a wire affected a compass needle. He was not dealing with extremely large currents. How does the shape of wires carrying current affect the shape of magnetic field created? We noted earlier that current loop created magnetic field similar to that of bar magnet. But we about straight wire or toroid do not how is direction of current created field related to direction of current. Answer to these questions are explored in this section, together with a brief discussion of law governing the fields created by currents. Magnetic field created by long straight current carrying wire. Right hand rule 2. Magnetic field have both direction and magnitude. As noted before, one way to explore the direction of magnetic field is with compasses as shown for long straight current carrying wire in figure 1. Hall probes can determine the magnitude of field. The field of around a long straight wire is found to be in circular loops. The right hand rule to RHR2 emergence from this exploration and is valued for any current segment. Point the thumb in direction of current and fingers curl in direction of magnetic field loops created by it. This diagram was about right hand rule 2. Current showing upwards and magnetic field showing folding fingers. Magnetic field strength magnitude produced by a long straight current carrying wire is founded by experiment to be B equal to nu 012 pi r long straight wire. P equal to nu 012 pi r long straight wire where I is a current, R is the shortest distance to the wire, and the constant nu 0 equal to 4 pi r 10 minus 70 into m by A is permeability of free space. Nu naught is one of the basic constant in nature. We will see the later that nu naught is related to the speed of light since wire is very long. The magnitude of field depends on only distance from wire r, not on the position along the wire. Ampere's law and others. The magnetic field of long straight wire has more implications than you might at first suspect. Each segment of current produces the magnetic field like that of long straight wire. And total field of any shape current is vector sum of fields due to each segment. The formal statement of direction and magnitude of field due to each segment is called Biot-Savart law. Integral calculus is needed to sum of the field for arbitrary shape current. This results in more complete law called Ampere's law, which relates to magnetic field and current in general way. Ampere's law is part of Maxwell equation, which gives complete theory of all electromagnetic phenomena. Consideration of Maxwell's equation appears to different observers led to the modern theory of relativity and the realization that electric and magnetic fields are different manifestations of same thing. Most of this is beyond the scope of this text, both mathematical level requiring calculus and in the amount of space that can be devoted to it. But for the interested students and particularly for those who continue in physics, engineering, or similar pursuits, delving into this matter's future will reveal the description of nature that is elegant as well as profound. In this text, we shall keep the general features in mind, such as RHR2 and rules of magnetic field lines listed in magnetic fields and magnetic field lines, while concentrating of the field creating important situations. Magnetic field produced by current carrying circular loop. Magnetic field near a current carrying loop of wire shown in figure 2. Both the direction and magnitude of magnetic field produced by current carrying loop are complex. RS2 can be used to give direction of field near to loop, but mapping with compasses and rules about field lines given in magnetic fields and magnetic field lines are needed to more detail. These are simple formula for magnetic field strength at center of circular loop. It is B equal to nu 0 1 2 R at center of loop, where R is the radius of the loop. This equation is very similar to that for a straight wire, but is valid only center of circular loop of wire. The similarity of equation does not indicate the similar field strength can be obtained at cen- center of the loop. One way to get larger field is to have n loops. Then the field is B equal to n mu naught I by 2R. Note the larger loop, the smaller of the field at the center because the current is farther away. And thank you. This PPT made by G Vamshi.